Hi, it's Alicia from Simply Gluten-Free Kitchen, where I have some of the best gluten-free tips, tricks, substitutions, and of course, kitchen tools there is. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Pampered Chef cold brew pitcher. Now, this is redesigned. We had an old one a long time ago that was a little bit more crafty style. This is our new one. I love that it is made of glass, has a really nice sleek glass handle, silicone on the bottom so it's not going to go anywhere when you put it on the counter. You just undo this lid up here, which there's arrows to show you when it's closed in place and when it's open. You take this insert out, and then this is where you're going to put your ground coffee, your tea. You could even do infused water with it by putting some fruit inside of here, or you can use the Pampered Chef cold brew pods that we have, okay? So it comes with 6 pods. You just pop the pod right inside of there and it's ready to go. So you don't have to mess with the ground coffee. Once you have whatever you're going to be putting inside of there, you just put this back on and twist until the arrows line up, and then you let it sit and infuse. If you haven't had a chance to get my free how to make cold brew at home guide, just comment cold brew in the comments and I will send it your way. If you are interested in getting this cold brew pitcher for yourself, check out the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and then share with your cold brew friend. Until next time.